Tired of complicated forms slowing down your team? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to use iSmartWorks to create smart forms that make your operations faster and easier. Now let's get started.
In this tutorial, we'll cover an introduction to iSmartWorks, setting up your account, creating and publishing forms, and managing access to private forms. Introduction to iSmartWorks.
iSmartWorks is a no-code platform that makes creating smart mobile-ready forms simple right from your browser. You can use AI to build forms automatically or drag and drop fields exactly where you want them. Plus, everything you create is easy to manage from the central dashboard. And with the iSmartWorks mobile app, you can submit and manage forms on the go.
Setting up your account.
To begin, click on the Start Free Trial button. It will take you to the Sign Up page. Fill out the information here, then click on Sign Up.
Once you have filled out the information, you'll be asked to verify your email address.
Once you have verified your email address, you can now sign in. Before you start creating forms, you'll be asked to fill out your company and admin details. After completing your company profile, you'll be asked to choose the plan that works best for your business needs. We offer a free trial for those who want to test out iSmartWorks first. You'll be taken to the main dashboard where you get a glimpse of the total user, form entries, and total views. You can also switch to dark mode if that's what you prefer. On your left is the sidebar menu where you can access your forms, submissions, the form builder itself, payment, forms approval, how to contact us for more support, and our privacy policy.
Creating forms.
To create a new form, you have to click on the builder option on the sidebar like I have done here. It will take you to this page where you can fill out a title and description for a new form. To begin, click on the Create Form button. To build your form, you can have AI create a new form for you or make edits to existing form. Today we'll ask AI to create a new form for us. Just type in what you want, then click on the Generate Form button. This is the form that AI has created for us. You can make edits to specific fields by clicking on the blue edit icon. You can customize the font styles, the column width, and the overall theme. You can also delete a specific field by clicking on the red delete icon here. You can further customize this form by using the drag and drop tools on your left. You can add stuff such as agreement, table, and text input. You can also drag and drop them where you want them to be. Once you're happy with the form, make sure to click on Save.
Publishing forms.
Now that you've created your form, it is time to publish it. To do this, go to Forms Approval. Here's where you see all the forms that you have created. Click on the form that you want to publish, then click on the drag button to your right. You'll see the option for Published. Click on that.
Managing access to private forms.
To grant access to your private forms, you have to go to your profile icon, then click on Profile. Make sure that you're on the user section of the company profile page, then fill out the following information below. Once you have done that, click on the Add Employee button. You'll see Added Employees underneath Associate Employees.
Users that you have added will receive an email from iSmartWorks with their user email and password. They can use that to sign in and complete their forms, either on the web app or through our mobile app.
Once the user has logged in with the credentials, this is what they'll see. Then they have to click on the form that they're tasked with completing. Then click on the button that says Submit. They will have to fill out the form here, and then scroll down to click on Submit once they're finished.
And that's it. Whether you're collecting feedback, coordinating projects, or keeping daily operations on track, iSmartWorks makes form creation easy, fast, and fully customizable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Happy form building!